All right, so I just wanted to show you the difference between reactive and proactive architecture, specifically on AWS. I use Terraform to build out a web app. I used two EC2 instances, and then I configured a load balancer and configured it and set it up with an auto scaling group. So if the application goes down or there's any kind of issues, it would self heal. It would redeploy the instance and redeploy the application. I mean, and that would probably take care of a few different kind of issues. For example, like if the networking went out, if the application was brought down by accident or crashed, if space was full on the EC2 instance, this would redeploy a new EC2 instance with that same application. I'm just going to show you an example. Let's go to the front end so you can see the actual app. Is just very simple. So the application is just this front end. If you refresh the page, you're not really going to see anything change, but it's two instances, and I'll show you on AWS. Currently, we have, well, let's filter this out for running again. Refresh. Currently, we have these two instances, and one of them is a Sebastian host. Now, on the back end, I'm going to query this command here, and it's going to show you pretty much the health of the instances. As you can see, the application's health is all healthy, but what if we go on one of these nodes and stop the application? Let's do that. Let's pick this instance right here. Okay, now that we're connected, let's just take a look at the service that I created. Okay, so the service is running. Let's just bring it down and see what actually happens. And this command actually runs every 2 seconds. So we should see a change in the environment. We should see the app failing. Yep, there it goes. 502 bad gateway error. So the app went down and it's going back and forth between the working instance and the non-working instance. 502. And we should see some changes here. And also on the GUI, we should see a new instance deploy. Still showing 502 bad gateway. Oh, looks like something happened because now the 502 error is not showing up anymore. I'm going to refresh. There you go. So now we have an unhealthy mark, and it is deploying and terminating the old instance and deploying the new one. So it took that instance out of the rotation. All right, let's take a look at the GUI. And now we have 4 instances. So this is chaos testing. It's kind of what I wanted to show you guys. I also created scripts to do this. Basically testing out auto scaling group, SNS. You can do different things with this. This script breaks the network. This one fills up the disk space, and this one kills the application. And right now we just manually killed the application. But you can see that it is removing, it's terminating the non-working instance, and it's deploying the new one. I'll wait a few seconds to update this, but this is cool stuff.